How to fix Wi-Fi turning off automatically on your Android phone. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection on your Android, it's turning on, turning off itself for no particular reason. Why could this be happening? The first thing I want you to check is that your Wi-Fi is not the one at fault. So you can try to restart your router, try to contact the customer support, and try to see if the issue also persists on other devices that you own. Now, if that's not the case, we'll try to do a couple of things on our phone. The first is you try to turn on flight mode. So look for the flight mode icon, turn off Wi-Fi, turn on flight mode again, and turn on Wi-Fi back on again. If this doesn't help, long press on your Wi-Fi toggle, which will take you to your Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you go to the gear icon on that Wi-Fi and you try to forget that Wi-Fi and you try to reconnect it. You can see the option called auto reconnect. You can also try to turn this feature on, because if that option is basically went ahead and then disabled, then auto reconnect will not work, right? So you turn on auto reconnect and that should help you solve the problem as well. Now, if none of these is helping, we simply open up settings on our Android phone and we look for the option called general. So we go to general management and we go to reset. Don't worry, we will not reset our phone. But what we will do is we will reset our settings. So scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, then tap on reset, and most likely that would help you. If not, then a last but not the least solution, I would convince you to factory erase and also check if your phone has any sort of software update, and if it does, just make sure to update your phone to the latest version. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.